Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to share some of the best tips for learning a new language. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your skills, these tips will help you on your language learning journey. Let's dive in. Number 1, immerse yourself. One of the most effective ways to learn a new language is through immersion. Surround yourself with the language as much as possible, watch movies, listen to music, read books, and try to speak it every day. Immersion helps you pick up the natural flow and context of the language. Number 2, set realistic goals. Set realistic and achievable goals, whether it's learning 10 new words a day or having a 5-minute conversation. Small milestones keep you motivated and show your progress. Remember, consistency is key. Number 3, use language learning apps. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, and Rosetta Stone are fantastic tools for language learning. They offer structured lessons, interactive exercises, and can fit into your daily routine. Plus, they make learning fun and engaging. Number 4, practice speaking. Don't be afraid to speak. Practice with native speakers or join language exchange meetups. Speaking regularly helps build your confidence and improves your pronunciation and fluency. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. They're part of the learning process. Number 5, learn basic grammar and vocabulary. Start with the basics. Understanding fundamental grammar rules and building a solid vocabulary foundation are crucial. Focus on common phrases and everyday words that you'll use frequently. Number 6, use flashcards and mnemonics. Flashcards and mnemonics are excellent for memorizing vocabulary and phrases. Tools like Anki and Quizlet can help reinforce your learning through repetition and creative memory aids. Number 7, watch movies and TV shows. Watching movies and TV shows in your target language is both entertaining and educational. It helps you understand how the language is used in context, improves your listening skills, and exposes you to different accents and dialects. Number 8, listen to music and podcasts. Music and podcasts are great for learning on the go. They enhance your listening skills and help you get accustomed to the natural rhythm and intonation of the language. Plus, they can introduce you to new cultural aspects of the language. Number 9, join language learning communities. Join online forums, social media groups, or local language clubs. Engaging with a community of learners provides support, motivation, and opportunities for practice. You can share tips, resources, and experiences with fellow language enthusiasts. Number 10, be patient and persistent. Learning a new language takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and stay persistent. Celebrate your progress no matter how small and keep pushing forward. The journey might be challenging, but the rewards are absolutely worth it. So there you have it. These are some of the best tips for learning a new language. Remember, the key is to stay motivated and enjoy the process. With dedication and the right strategies, you'll be speaking a new language in no time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content.